There is nothing planned to start trying to tame the flood-prone Indian Creek, but there could be. The Corps of Engineers has a study plan for the creek. They're waiting for the city to sign it. But it's just a plan, not a project. The two projects on the books involve Blue River flood control in southeast Kansas City. The Blue was also out of its banks on Monday night. One of the projects is here in the Swope Industrial District.
It's authorized but not funded. We're seeking funding in 2018 or 2019 to complete construction on it.
Planned but not paid for. Then there's this, another flood control project for the Dodson Industrial District in southeast Kansas City near the old Bannister Federal Complex.
That will complete the levee and flood wall protection around the Dodson Industrial District on the Blue River and protect it from flooding for the future.
A 10 to 15 foot tall levee or a wall costing about $45 million. And that's the trouble. None of these solutions are inexpensive or easy to apply. Flood control for Brush Creek and Turkey Creek took millions of dollars and decades. And they'll probably face the same thing trying to tame Indian Creek.